many wishes of the World Poetry Day today. When the world is under turmoil, we look at poets with lot of hope whose poetry can act as a bridge to bring peace and humanity in the world. My poetry, Waiting for Unknown, deals just with that. Hope you like it. Here it goes. The title is Waiting for Unknown. We are waiting for someone, somebody who will change our lives for good, better, positive. Shed away bad, torturous, negative. Will we know when it happens? He comes. Will we know when someone special enters into our lives from invisible door? The Messiah, the Savior. To bring happiness, to spread positivity, to enlighten our souls, to shower us presence, to bring joyous splendor, to change our destiny, to alter our times, to darn our lives. Sometimes wait is too long, arduous, elongated, unbearable. You reach the brink. Give up on hope. Light of the light, life starts diffusing. Enthusiasm waning. Feel as if standing in a tunnel with no ray of hope. Not even a small lamp to show you the way. You prepare yourself to forget all your dreams. Just flow with the flow which follows its way. You do feel lost. You do feel hopeless. Life looks like a mirage you are chasing and Messiah not showing. But who is this Messiah whose arrival looks promising? Messiah, the harbinger of peace, positivity, well-being, festivities, celebrations, pleasures, happiness, joyous, healing, prayers. Who has the remedy for all our inner wounds, outer deformities, make everybody look beautiful, desirable. Where everyone will be happy, world would be a better place, without any pain, trouble, physical or mental ailment. Where everyone would be healthy, wealthy and wise, we dream of a world where there are no wars, no skirmishes, no arms, no ammunition, no bloodshed, no gore, no crimes, no criminals, no courts, no hospitals, no biases, no prejudices, no walls, no boundaries. Besides, no religious discords, no human hatred, no communal strife, no political disharmony, no one nation attacking the other. So, only love, harmony, peace. Humans are treated as humans, not as machines, arsenals, but as pianos, where all keys play in harmony to create symphony, which soothes the wounded souls, irons out the ironies, living looking winsome, life becoming a song. Arrival of awaited Messiah, but will he arrive? Will he answer our questions? When will this bloodshed end? When the boundaries of nations won't be the possessions? When the world wouldn't look like a war zone? When nations wouldn't fight over a piece of land? When there will be total peace and harmony? We can only pray for him to arrive. Till then, let our poetic expressions color the canvas of tranquility and humanity. Build the bridges to ferry harmony and symphony across the bleeding borders, suffering nations and tormenting humans. We only hope and wish he arrives till we leave for our final journey. Thank you once again. Wish you a very happy World Poetry Day.